So Prince Igwe Anosie, congratulations on your N.I.D.O event today, and we congratulate Igwe Nkem Onumara as well for receiving this beautiful and well-deserved award.
It's well-deserved, honestly. Igwe Nkem Onumara N.I.D.O doing a lot of good things in the community, especially in the areas of helping those who are less fortunate and indigent. And today it was just a nice opportunity to get him rewarded for it. I know he's not a man of too many words, neither is he a frivolous one to want to flaunt what he does, but today N.I.D.O recognized that you have been putting in a lot for this community, and I look forward to you doing it's an honor to have you.
Yes. Igwe Nkem Onumara, how do you feel about the city of Newark and N.I.D.O recognizing you today?
Well, first of all, it's a surprise to me. I wasn't, like the lady, I never expected it.
You weren't expecting it.
I wasn't expecting it. So I got a call yesterday or so, and they informed me that I was up for an award. So I'm full of gratitude. I'm humble, and I'm thankful. I just do what I need to do. You know, helping. If I can help, I help. You know, if I can't, I run around and seek for help from people that can provide the help.
Most people say it comes second nature, like it's part of you anyway.
That's what he does say. If he can't help, he looks for people that can help.
Wow.
And that was the circumstances under which I met his benevolence.
All right.
Something he couldn't do, he called me, asked if I could do it. I said, yeah, it's within my purview, and within a short time,
done.
conquered it.
So Igwe Nkem Onumara, it's safe to say that you're a doer. Even when you cannot do, you refer to do other doers.
I don't know how safe it is, but the point is, I'm very grateful. I'm very happy to receive this honor. I want to thank Prince. He's been a brother and a friend. I want to thank N.I.D.O. I want to thank the great city of Newark,
New Jersey.
Leadership of Mayor Ras Baraka.
Yes.
City Council. City Council, right? Yeah. And I'm going to put this on top of my TV.
All right. All right.
Every day I will see it, and it's going to inspire me and inspire anybody that comes across my way.
All right.
Thank you very much.
All right. Congratulations once again.
Igwe Nkem Onumara, Igwe Nkem N.I.D.O, Ochiaya, the Prince Space Real Estate, Chemistry and Donors Group, We4We TV Director, N.I.D.O Obagwa, Uguta LGA of Imo State, a founding Igwe and a founding father at N.I.D.O Social Club. Kelela Mulologe, Ugelse, Onumara, Adeje Jemba 1, Yagazie. N.I.D.O Birikwa Odimma N.I.D.O Social Club. Bar Media Pinnacle Entertainment. Derema. More fire. Fuka.